Hey guys, it's me, Diamond Crystal, the Gallivanting Grandma. For those of you who don't know, I am a global nomad, travel and wellness influencer, and travel ambassador for Black women over 55 who are beginning a new life's journey, embracing peace and a life of ease. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, it's me, Diamond Crystal, the Gallivanting Grandma, coming to you today outside with Panama City, Panama as my backdrop. This is what good news looks like when you talk to your accountant and she tells you you're getting an even bigger refund than you anticipated. Listen, hold on to those receipts. Write that stuff off on your taxes. One of the many questions that I get asked while I'm on this house sitting journey, this global nomad journey of mine is, Diamond, if you're not retirement age and you're no longer employed, how are you making money to sustain yourself while you're doing all this gallivanting? And that's a fantastic question and one I wanted to answer today. I hope that you are following my blogs at www.thegallivantinggrandma. There you'll find some tips and things that I do to sustain myself while I'm gallivanting. Today, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing. All right, so just exactly what is affiliate marketing, you may ask me? It's making money while you sleep. Yes, affiliate marketing is simply put getting paid for talking about, promoting, and advocating those products and services that you use the most. Those that you have trust and belief in, you're tried and true. Many of them have affiliate marketing programs that you can sign up for. So basically, you're getting paid to refer people to the things that work for you, but when they use the products, you also make some coins and put in your little kitty for your travel. Now, my kitty allows me to do all the things that I like to do as far as wellness is concerned when I travel. So y'all know I'm a big proponent of the spas. I like full body massages. I like reflexology and acupuncture. And all those things are financed by my affiliate marketing. I know this is not going to surprise any one person who's looking at this video right now, but my top #1 affiliate marketing partnership is Trusted House Sitters. Trusted House Sitters and I have been friends for 2 years now. And I started out as an affiliate with them about a year ago, which means in addition to being able to earn free months on my membership, when somebody clicks on my personal Trusted House Sitter affiliate link, that means that that traffic is tracked back to me. And I am then in a position to earn money based on them joining as a member. So when you sign up using my link to be a Trusted House Sitter, then yes, that does get tracked back to me, and I make a few coins to put in my travel kitty. So I thank you so much. Now, what do I give you in return for using my affiliate link? I give you a free review of your profile. Make sure that it is tight, it is right, and we also do some hypothetical searches so that you get familiar with searching for the house sitting opportunities of your desire. In addition to that, to thank you, I also give you a one-time template to use and reuse as often as you like to be able to edit as a introduction when you make your first application. Making a strong application, sending a strong message is paramount in getting the attention of any potential house sitting opportunity. So that's how I say thank you for using my affiliate link when you click on it for Trusted House Sitters. Okay, so what's in a name? Listen, y'all, I'm the Gallivanting Grandma. That means that I gallivant, right? So when I gallivant, that means I'm traveling. What do I need when I travel? Think about this as a strategy when you are entering the world of affiliate marketing. So I need great luggage. So I team up and I have an affiliate link with a luggage company. You need a strong, reliable VPN when you travel. And so, yes, I'm an affiliate for a VPN service. You need a great travel credit card, one that is going to earn you points and perhaps even dollars back. So I am an affiliate with a strong travel card. What else do you need when you travel? You need necessities. You need everything. Think about what it is that goes into your travel experience. What is it that you can't do without? Whether it might be a product that you can't do without, sunscreen, sunglasses, whatever it is that you love, bathing suits, whatever it is that you have to have. If you have a company that is tried and true, always winds up in your travel necessity list, then you need to find out whether or not they offer an affiliate marketing program. Sign up. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up. And of course, if somebody clicks on the link, you might just earn free products or some money. All right, let's talk about one of the most important items that you need as a global nomad. When you're traveling these international airways, airlines, you need great global travel insurance. I can't say it enough. You need great travel insurance. I've heard horror stories of people who have had accidents or taken ill in a foreign country and they did not have global travel insurance, which meant that they had to prove that they had upwards of $50,000 in the bank to be able to be seen at a hospital. I mean, you're already stressed out if you fall under one of these circumstances, right? Then being denied, care because you can't prove that you have that amount of money somewhere is just crazy. People have had to have family members come to their rescue financially, airlift them from one country back to the United States just so that they could be seen for what could be a life-threatening health issue. So I can't stress it enough. Find yourself a great global travel insurance company. Make sure that you check twice, check 3 times exactly what's covered and what's not. Make sure that you are in the best position medically that you can be while you're out here gallivanting in these international streets. Trust me, whatever insurance company you decide is the right one for you, they probably have an affiliate marketing partnership that you can sign up for. You know, we spend a lot of time in Facebook groups, Instagram groups, on videos, on YouTube, and when we travel to a new destination, what are folks always asking you about? What did you do? Where did you go? What's the best tour? Well, guess what? Excursions are affiliate marketing opportunities. There are companies that specialize in excursions that will allow you as an affiliate to not only earn money if someone else uses your link to book an excursion, but give you personal discounts. I say smart money that will give you discounts when you book your excursions. So people are looking at you as kind of the resident expert because, ooh, yeah, you've been to Panama. What'd you do? Where'd you go? Would you recommend it? How about a driver? Guess what? If I have not come in contact with a personal driver that I recommend, then I am an affiliate for a company that picks you up from the airport in a limousine if that's what you want. I have an affiliate partnership with a company that provides private airline travel. I said that real slow because that's goals, y'all, like real goals. Like, you gonna get on a private jet to go from here to there? Well, there's an affiliate marketing opportunity for that. And yes, that is a goal of mine, private airline travel. What? Pull up to the jet? Oh, it's just me and whomever, couple of people. I'm not doing no window seat assignment. Oh my goodness. Now that's in my future. I don't know about yours, but I'm manifesting that. How about you? Okay. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100. And these are my grandma treats. These are the things that I treat myself to as a gallivanting grandma, no matter where I am. Listen, you want to feel sexy and vibrant, and so, lingerie, nice corset, that type of thing. I'm an affiliate for a company who provides the best lingerie, corset sets, that type of thing. When I want to get my sexy on, hey, just because I'm a grandma don't mean that I'm excluded from that category. Let's then talk about, intimacy wellness products. Check this out, y'all. I found a company. I love their products because they are all natural, 100% natural. And the icing on that cake, Black owned, female owned. Whoo! You talk about hitting the jackpot as far as affiliate marketing opportunities are concerned. I love this company. Make sure that at the end of the video, you click down and check out the company that I'm talking about right now. The last thing that I'm going to talk about, and this goes into the grandma treats, but this is a real necessity for me. I'm serious about my smile, y'all. I'm serious about my smile. My mother was a dental hygienist for many, many years. So I grew up in a household where dental regimen, hygiene was very, very important. I found, again, a Black-owned company that offers the greatest dental care products that I have found yet. And guess what? They ship internationally. So I start one way in the morning and I end up another way in the evening. So twice a day, I am using these products to make sure that my smile is as perfect as it can be, and it stays that way. I've talked about having dental work done in various countries. I will tell you that I have gotten checkup and cleaning successfully in Ecuador, Mexico, and I recently got major work done. It was a root canal because I got to save these pearly whites. I don't want to lose them, right here in Panama City. And I could not be more pleased with the professionalism, the cleanliness of each office that I have been to. And let's not even start talking about the price, okay? I have saved thousands of dollars by getting my dental work done outside of the United States. All of that to say that everything that you use in your life, down to what you brush your teeth with, there is an affiliate marketing opportunity out there for you. All right, so if you find that affiliate marketing is something that you want to look into as part of your financial portfolio, your income producing portfolio, making money while you sleep, making money off of what you talk about every day, whether you talk about it verbally, in writing, in some of the groups, whatever you do, put it on your blog, your Instagram. Listen, if you're serious about it and you don't know where to start, hit me up. I do provide consultations so that we can strategize together and put together a great affiliate marketing program that fits your lifestyle, one that you can genuinely get behind. And of course, once you're genuine about something, the money will come. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your time and attention. And if affiliate marketing is for you, let's chat. Until next time, peace and blessings. This video and all videos on my channel are brought to you by PowerPiece, the brand. Remember, find your peace, keep your peace, and protect your peace. It's your superpower. Shop today and use code Gallivanting to save 20%.
Follow my grandma on Instagram and Facebook.